Ah, put that back.
Back up!
Put it up.
You again?
Close. You think you're cool?
You can't do that to him! Hey! Get for him!
Back! I'll tell you to move! I'll tell you to move! I'll tell you to move!
For me, that was most disheartening is to sort of see the children just completely labeled and to see them just sort of be discarded. I mean, it's one incident. You know, these are our children, this is our community.
Back up!
Ah, put that back.
Back up!
Put it up.